Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making really easy stromboli. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. I have a cookie sheet that I put a piece of parchment paper on and sprayed with some vegetable cooking spray. And I'm going to take a can of crescent rolls. And guys, it's going to be really easy with some big Italian restaurant flavors. And what you want to do is just want to take your crescent rolls and just lay them out on your cookie sheet. Now I'm going to make 2 strombolis. You want to pinch the edges together too, guys. I'm going to make 2 strombolis today. I'm going to make one with mushrooms and one without mushrooms. One without mushrooms is going to be for Eric because he doesn't do mushrooms. And I'm just going to show you guys the one with mushrooms. The other one's going to be exactly the same, but it just won't have mushrooms. Okay. And I don't know if you've ever eaten a stromboli. Some of my viewers over in England, I don't know if you guys have stromboli over there, but it's really delicious. So you just want to pinch your edges together. And then when you get them all pinched together, you just want to spread this out a little bit, guys. But you want to be careful not to spread it so thin that it rips on you. Okay, we're looking good. Now I'm going to start filling this. I have some deli ham and some deli salami. I cut up in little cubes, little squares. We're going to get that in there. And guys, you can put anything you like in these. Or anything you don't like, you don't have to put in them. And I also, where I'm going to add my salami, and I already told you guys I have salami here. This is Geneva salami, or however you say that. It's not the hard salami. You don't want that. And you just want to spread it around. And as this bakes in the oven, this stuff will curl up and loosen up a little bit. And you want to go to about 1 inch from the edges, because we're going to pinch the top layer of dough on this, make it like a pocket. Alright, now I have some sliced pepperoni. We're going to add some of that in there. Just want to toss it in there any way you like. And guys, it's a lot cheaper to make these yourself than to go and buy them in a restaurant, because strombolis can be a little expensive. Alright, that's looking good. Now I have some sliced provolone cheese. We're going to put some of this in there. And you just want to layer it in there. Try to keep that from the edge. We're going to go for about 6 slices. This is a 12 slice pack, so that'll be just enough to do our 2 strombolis. And you can overlap your cheese a little bit if you need to. Alright, now I sauteed some peppers and onions for a few minutes in some olive oil, and these are cooled some. I'm just going to handle it with my hands and go ahead and layer some in here. It's a nice healthy coating. Alright, now I'm going to add in some sauteed mushrooms. I did in a little bit of olive oil. Now I just sauteed these vegetables enough just to start to soften them up, because they're going to finish cooking in the oven while this bakes. And you can see how nice and full that's getting, guys. And I'm just going to throw all these mushrooms in there. This is 8 ounces of mushrooms, because like I said, in Eric's stromboli there won't be any mushrooms. And I'm going to add into this one that won't be in Eric's also, because I don't know how many people like it or not. I have some sliced black olives here. I drained the juice off and we're going to add them in there. And these you just put in cold, guys. You don't have to saute them or nothing. I'm not crazy about olives, guys, but I can eat the black ones in a column olive. Is that how you pronounce it? Olives? I like those. Okay, that's looking good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my top on here off the camera. Once I get that on there, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, now that I have the top on, I pinched the sides up over, and I'm going to leave the slits in top. That way the steam can escape and my seams won't split. I'm going to put a little more cooking spray on top of the Stromboli. And I'm going to take some Italian seasoning and sprinkle it on top for some extra flavor, guys. Now I'm going to put this one aside. I'm going to put Eric's together, and then I'm going to put both of them in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes uncovered until they turn golden brown. Then we'll pull them out to be ready to go. Alright guys, these are done. They took 35 minutes. They're nice and golden brown and ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, I'm going to add a little bit of marinara sauce here on the side. Let me get in there and give that a try. See, the cheese is all nice and melted. All my ingredients are cooked through. That's really good, guys. Has that really delicious classic Stromboli taste. Really good. Really easy, not hard to put together. Alright, there you have it, guys. Really easy Stromboli. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.